Hare Krishna, dear friends. In this video I will show you how to recycle your saree. In this I am using this saree. I love the color of this saree and I like the design. It is pure white and it has pink color, pink flowers and green, bright green. I love these colors, and this one has some nice border. But the things I don't like is that it is very transparent and it's synthetic. One line goes cotton and other side threads are synthetic. I just don't like synthetic sarees, and it's too short. I like sarees which are like 7 meters or 6.5 or 6 meters, but this one is like 4.5 or 5, which is very short. And plus when I washed it in the washing machine, so this place got torn. So now I like the color of the saree, and now I'll make a curtain out of it, so you can recycle the saree. It's like 4.5 meters of fabric. You can recycle. So this shelf, it's open, and because it's open I cannot put so many things inside. So I will make a curtain. This place is, I will make a curtain with this saree. So I won't waste the saree and I will make a curtain. So I will have accomplished 2 things at a time. I cut the needed piece of saree to put there, and then from other piece, the spoiled piece of saree, I got this ribbon out of that saree. Now I will measure the size, the length of the shelf. Our curtain will be from here. Let's see. It is better to cover everything. So go like this, measure. So our curtain will be up to here. I'll cut this place. I folded the saree in 2 because the height is very short and saree is transparent, so this will be okay. Now I'll take this rope, I'll put from front side, and I will stitch like so many zigzags into the rope. I won't make the rope zigzag, I'll make the fabric zigzag, sorry. And then I will, first of all, of course, I have to stitch this side like this so that the threads don't come out. Then, as you remember, I'll put from the front part and start doing zigzag. Our curtain is almost ready. It looks like this from the top and bottom. Now I will stick this to the shelf with this, and it's a fabric sticker. It looks like this. So I'll stick this side into the shelf, little, and this part I'll stick to the fabric. That's it. Curtain is ready. Saree's recycled. And the sticker, when you wanna wash this curtain, just take it out, wash it, iron it, and then put it back. So it's a neat curtain. That's why I told you that Saree is in the mode of goodness. You can recycle it, you can use it.